Agent, the sun is down, the power is out, and an intruder is near the vault. We have a critical situation. Standard flashlights are a no-go. They're way too bright, they'll give your position away in a heartbeat. Today, here at the Secret Agent Academy, we are diving deep into mission 4, night vision. We are going to hack the light spectrum itself, so you can see in the dark without ever being spotted. This is your chance to own the night. First, let's test your natural abilities. A good spy must have cat-like vision, the ability to see what others miss in the shadows. We're running a simulation. You have exactly 10 seconds to find the agent hiding in the darkness. They're out there waiting. Look for the faint glow of their badge. It's your only clue. Ready, go. Time's ticking. 5 seconds left. Can you see them? Time's up. Did you spot the intruder? Whether you did or didn't, this next piece of gear will make you a master of the dark. For this tactical upgrade, you'll need to assemble your gear. Your mission loadout is simple but effective. First, a flashlight, and lead one will give you the best results. Next, you need some red cellophane. If you can't find that, a red plastic folder or even a red candy wrapper can work in a pinch. You'll also need a rubber band to secure everything. And finally, a simple toilet paper roll. This will become our beam focuser. Parents, this is more than just a spy game, it's a light science mission. It's perfect for a supercharged game of hide and seek after you complete the build. Get your gear ready, Agent. Alright, let's move to the build phase and create your tactical light. This is where we turn ordinary items into extraordinary spy tools. Step 1 is creating the spectrum filter. Take your red material and cover the flashlight's lens with 2 or 3 layers. This is crucial for controlling the light waves. Use your rubber band to secure it tightly. Make sure it's snug. We don't want any white light leaking out. Now for step 2, the beam snoot. This is what gives you precision. Attach the cardboard tube to the front of your flashlight. You can tape it or just create a snug fit. This will focus the red light into a tight, controlled circle, preventing light from spilling out and revealing your location. You want a laser, not a floodlight. And finally, step 3, the stealth test. Find a darkroom. First, turn on a normal white flashlight and shine it in your eyes for a second. See how it leaves you blinking, trying to readjust. Now, do the same with your new red tactical light. Notice the difference, your eyes barely react. The red light doesn't blind you or ruin your night vision like white light does. You can look directly at it and still see perfectly in the surrounding darkness. This is the secret, Agent. So what's the secret intel behind this? Why does red light work so well? It all comes down to the science of your own eyes. Your eyes have two types of light detecting cells, cones for seeing color in bright light and rods for seeing in low light. When you're hit with a bright, white light, it overwhelms your rods, and it can take up to 20 minutes for your night vision to fully recover. In the world of espionage, 20 minutes is an eternity, but red light is different. It operates on a wavelength that doesn't trigger that reset button in your rods. This is a real-world tactic used by the pros. Pilots use red light in their cockpits to read maps at night. Sailors on warships use it on the bridge to navigate through dark waters. And yes, special agents use it on covert operations to maintain their tactical advantage. You're not just building a toy. You're using real scientific principles to become a master of stealth. It's science. Agent, mission accomplished. You have successfully mastered the principles of stealth illumination and have earned the Night Stalker badge. You now own the night. Your ability to move and see in the darkness is unmatched. But what good is seeing in the dark if you can't hear through walls? Your training isn't over yet. Join us for Mission 5, the listening post, where we'll build a device to amplify sound and gather intelligence from a distance. To get your next assignment, make sure you hit that subscribe button and unlock your ears. The Academy is waiting. Dismissed.